Welcome back, viewers. Today, we delve into an intriguing topic that affects the functioning of our democracy, the Anti-Defection Law in conjunction with the Representation of Peoples Act and the Constitution of India. So, let's break it down and understand the significance of these laws. Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing to stay updated with all things related to law and governance. Now, let's jump right into today's topic, the Anti-Defection Law and its relation to the Representation of Peoples Act and the Constitution of India. Before we dive deep, let's understand what these laws are. The Representation of Peoples Act, enacted in 1951, provides the framework for conducting elections in India. It lays down rules and regulations concerning voter registration, the eligibility of candidates, election offenses, and the process of disqualification of elected representatives. On the other hand, the Anti-Defection Law, introduced through the 52nd Amendment to the Constitution of India in 1985, aims to prevent political defections. It was enacted to curb the practice of elected representatives switching parties after the election, often for personal gains. Now, let's understand how these laws work together. The Anti-Defection Law is an extension of the provisions laid down in the Representation of Peoples Act. It sets certain guidelines for elected representatives in the Parliament and state legislatures to prevent them from changing their party allegiance. Under the Anti-Defection Law, if a member of Parliament or state legislature voluntarily gives up the membership of their political party or votes against the party's directives, they can be disqualified from their position. This provision is aimed at maintaining party discipline and preventing instability in the government. Let's look at a live example to better understand how the Anti-Defection Law works. In 2019, several members of the Indian National Congress, Inc., resigned from their party and joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, in Karnataka. As a response, the Inc. filed disqualification petitions against them, citing a violation of the Anti-Defection Law. The Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly examined the case and disqualified these members under the Anti-Defection Law. This decision showcased the application of the law in preventing arbitrary party switching and preserving the stability of the government. But wait, how does this law align with the Constitution of India? The Constitution provides the legal framework within which these laws are enacted and enforced. It guarantees the rights and responsibilities of citizens and outlines the functioning of the government. The Anti-Defection Law upholds the principles laid down in the Constitution, such as the democratic functioning of the government and the accountability of elected representatives. It aims to prevent instability, ensure party discipline, and promote transparency in our political system. By discouraging defection, it strengthens the integrity of the democratic process. In conclusion, the Anti-Defection Law, in conjunction with the Representation of Peoples Act and the Constitution of India, forms a vital framework for our democratic system. It establishes rules to prevent arbitrary switching of political parties and emphasizes the importance of fulfilling electoral promises made to the citizens. These laws work together to maintain stability, promote transparency, and strengthen the democratic fabric of our great nation. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.